Good day, gamers. R-Tube here, and today we are going to be finishing off the Rain World Randomizer. I know I said that last time, but this time I'm sure of it. We will be finishing it. We only have a couple regions to head through, but the last one's going to be difficult, so hopefully we get good luck there. Just before we start, I want to thank you guys for the support on the last video. I don't know why I'm saying that. It's not like it got 1 million views, but it just got more views than I expected it did, so, good job. You guys deserve a early free video because of it. So, we're gonna start this up. Everything here looks normal. Let's do this. Okay, so my current plan here is to... Right. Enemy randomizer. I always manage to forget, man. My main plan here is to obviously head through drainage system, and from there we can oh shit. From there we can head to filtration system, which will be hell, to finish off the run. Let me try and like bait this guy. Oh shit. Oh god, oh god, oh god. This is not off to a good start. Oh my god, strawberry lizard. Holy god. Holy Mother of Mary. Oh yeah, he's coming. Oh my god. So we're off to an amazing start here. Oh, I should also tell you guys, I installed the blood mod. So there's gonna be a little bit of gore in this video. Nothing like intense, just a bit of red on the floor every time I kill something. Which won't be happening often, as you can see. Oh, look, there's some blood there on the wall. Well, we gotta be careful here, because, uh-oh. Let's go. Alright, first issue. There's usually a green lizard at the end of this room. So... Okay, it was nothing. Oh, it's a green lizard. That's interesting. Well, thankfully, this room was designed with the very idea of there being a green lizard here, so... We could probably just get this guy pissed enough to just land straight in the water. Come on. I know you want me. There we go. Oh, hello. How you doing? You having a good time? Checking out the area? Ooh, food. Oh yeah, we have to look out for drop wigs. Those can be anywhere. Oh my god. The blood, it's so violent. Maybe this wasn't a good idea to turn this on. Elite scav, elite scav. Let's just run past him and hope he doesn't. Oh my god. He's coming, he's coming, he's coming. Okay. Let's fucking go. Okay, we're through. With maximum karma, full food, and protection. Things look a little darker. Did they... That's fine. That's not an issue. I think he's meant to be there. I know the randomizer's working, because there was a noodle fly here. That's never in this region. And there was a fucking red centipede in outskirts before. Man, that'd be cool if there was one guarding the drainage system and area, but there isn't. So. Oh, wait! Okay, no. Not funny anymore. That Leviathan's blocking the way out. Uh-oh. Not funny, not funny. Oh, and I don't remember if this was in the last video, but you may notice I have a breath meter now. That's a thing that can just be turned on in-game. Are you kidding me? I don't know if that was the Leviathan's fault or my fault. I'm not sure. I'm dead again. That's an issue. These leeches are going to become an issue. But, as long as we keep getting that karma flower, we have nothing to lose. Except for the karma flower, but you get the idea. Okay. You know what? I can live with this. I don't know if I will live with this, but I can live with this. Because these guys are a pretty big issue. Let me try and see if I can make some noise. Hey, you guys. Get your asses over here, right fucking now. I need to do some serious shit. Fine then. Be dicks about it. I'm coming over there, you little bitch. I'm coming. I'm coming. Hi, can you stop bugging me, please? Thanks. Sanity restored. We should be good for the rest of the region. Thank God. That could have gotten really bad. Wait. This could be not good. There's a monster kelp that's usually down here. This could be replaced with anything, including a red lizard. Oh! What? Hold on, do something. That was cool as fuck. Come on, do it again, do it again. I want to watch you do that again. That was cool. This looks dangerous. We're going to avoid that. We're going to go to the next one. It's safer. Because we don't technically have to worry about losing karma. The final home stretch. Guys, we're actually here. This is it. We've made it. How do you guys feel about us making it to the final region of our adventure? What's your guys' opinions? Me? I'm pretty stoked. Oh, wait, we got a dream. What is it? Is it the one of Ascension? Yep. Master of these dreams, man. Predicting so many of them. So, like I said, I'm stoked to be here. But at the same time, I don't know how I feel about this. Because if you know what this region is like, this is about to be the most hellish adventure we ever go through. Also, you can see why I really wanted that neon glow for this. It's pretty dark here, as you can tell. So usually, this area is covered in black lizards, which are able to essentially get through all of this easily. In case you've forgotten, we are not going up against black lizards. We're going up against everything in the entire game. Like that vulture. This could be the single most dangerous adventure we ever go on. This could be worse than garbage wastes. See, look at that. Thankfully, he's in a good place, but this is what I mean, man. Stuff's getting really intense. Oh God. See, if that were in another place, we would be dead meat. Oh, cool, there's a vulture there. So hopefully, the black lizards all get replaced with big stuff like that we don't have to worry about, because then we don't have to worry about it. We're almost approaching our final shelter. Hey, look, we're here. Hey, look, an elite scav. This is it. This is the final shelter, guys. If this video is not long enough, I will do something else for the rest of the video as a bonus for getting my other video up to such a high view count for my standards. You guys deserve it. Is this the one where it's the same thing, but he's going down? Dude, I knew it! I'm so good at predicting dreams. This is the most useless skill of all time, and I'm good at it. That kind of summarizes my entire life, actually. What is th— Oh, come on! Wait. Did he spawn in the perfect place? That's literally the perfect place! Oh my god, I think we just did it! No way we just got through filtration system without dying. Hey guys. Look. Well, this is the end. I don't think the mod actually changes anything from this point onwards. And that, my friends, was the absolute chaos and unholy-ishness of the Rain World Randomizer. We're basically done. There's not much left to do. So we're just gonna sit here and enjoy the ending cutscene. Boys, we've finally done it. We've reunited with our boys. We've reunited with the boys. Maybe. I don't know. Look into the lore if you want to know what actually happened. Well, let's see our final ranking for how much of an absolute W we achieved. 28 successful cycles, 15 deaths, 0 quits. Took us 2 hours. 28 friends sheltered. Don't know what that's all about. This is probably going to be the fun part. How many kills did we get? 1 pole plant, 1 drop wig, 1 caramel... Oh. Huh. That's it. That's our final ranking. 1,502 points. You know what? It's long enough, but I'm gonna do it longer. I'm not gonna do Hunter. I'm not gonna do Gourmand. I'm not gonna do Artificer. We're gonna do an expedition. Hear me out. Now, sure, we'll just turn on. I'm not planning on beating any of these challenges. Oh, right. Okay, we're here. Let's, yeah, we'll just turn on all these. Why not? Perks and burdens. Hunted makes the player public enemy #1. Every enemy is going to be coming to my location. And we're also going to put on Doomed, so I'm not allowed to die at all. Let's do this shit. Let's do this. Is this farm race? Fuck. Yeah, I don't feel like playing through farm arrays. Actually, you know what? Yeah, no, I don't feel like playing through farm arrays. Hope you guys can understand. We're gonna head right through here into outskirts. Now we're public enemy #1 in outskirts, not farm arrays. The creatures will never ever leave farm arrays, so. Okay, so I'm assuming all these guys are going to be randomized. They're all going to try and kill me. It's going to be amazing because I'm going to die. Never mind, no one's here. It's just like in garbage wastes. Well, we got to go really quick. Oh, God. Oh, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Hi. Please leave me alone. No! Okay, let's go. You know what? It's perfectly fitting. Why not? Let's Let's do filtration system again. Wait. I don't have the glow. I don't have the glow. I'm gonna run straight into danger and I'll have no idea. I need to hope for a scav so I can steal his lantern. Oh! I thought that would kill it. What the? Ah, okay. Well then. Let's do one more. That was not a good one. Oh my god. What? Whatever. I guess he's like spying on me. I don't really care. Outer Expanse. We are in the Outer Expanse. Let's head down through the outer... Oh, come on. What? What are you talking about? This man's crazy, I swear. Hello, how are you do? You have good day? You have fun? I'm not answering your messages anymore, Em. What the heck? What's going on? Why is it... What the hell? Oh, come on. Oh, I can just walk past it. Nope, 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 nope. Oh! Oh! Hi! How has your day been? I think this perfectly summarizes. Yep, this perfectly summarizes everything. You know what? I'm gonna end the video there. That was perfect. That was absolutely perfect. So, yeah. Goodbye. That was awkward. Hold on. Let me retry that. So, that was my, Rain World Randomizer mini-series. Was fun, I guess. It was enjoyable. Can't wait to make something that isn't Rain World related, honestly. Yeah. So, it was fun. I recommend this mod if you want to give yourself a really fun oh my fucking god.